My dear friends, come and visit pleasure fun with me in my garden. We have so many fruits in here, all the fruits of the world. So you can see so many plants and so many fruits in here. This is very pleasure, very happiness. Yes, it's really happiness we got here. See guys, wow, this called munka. Yes, this one having nutritional food and antioxidant. This one lychee, and this one color flower. Usually Indian people make color. This gawa, black gawa, and this one mango. This one bananas. So many bananas over here. 5 types of bananas, and this one lychee. So many things, so many fruits. Yes, I'm really happy with my garden. Uh, and this one, place of average zone. I mean, bottom of average zone. This one, my banana garden. I'm everyday pleasure with my garden. It's really happy. I hope you also happy with me. This one longer video, that's why I make short. This one very longer video, more than 10 minutes. That's why I had make short it. See, very faster. I make it short. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I hope you also plantation. You also plant the fruits.